In this question, guys, girls, and folks, we're looking at some index laws and dividing decimals, okay, or dividing by decimal. Okay, so in this first part, simplify 2 to the minus 5 times 2 to the 8, all in brackets, all squared, okay, or all raised to the power of 2. Give your answer as a power of 2. So we're going to adopt our big maths rules and simplify here what's inside the bracket first, okay, using our index law here for multiplication. So when I multiply with the same base, I'm going to add my indices. I'm going to add my powers. Okay. But also keep the squared there. Okay. So minus 5 plus 8 is 3. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 3 or 2 cubed. Okay. In bracket to the power of 2. Now I've got 2 cubed all squared. Okay, think of that as 2 cubed multiplied by itself, so times by 2 cubed. When you're multiplying with the same base, you're going to add your powers, you're going to add your indices. 2 to the power of 3 plus 3, so 3 add 3 is 6, so it's 2 to the power of 6, okay? Or at this stage, because it's a base raised to a power raised to another power, I can just multiply them, okay? That's also fine, okay? But we get 2 to the power of 6 as our answer. Next up, let's to work out 8.46 divided by 0.15. So dividing by decimal here is actually quite tricky. So to divide by an easier number, I'm going to multiply by powers of 10. Okay, so I'm dividing by a whole number. So I want to essentially divide by 15 instead. Okay, now how do I get from 0.15 to 15? Well, I'm going to multiply it by 100, okay, or 10 squared, or 10 to the power of 2, because then the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. But to keep the sum in check, I have to multiply this by 100, right? So then we get 846 there. So I'm doing 846 divided by 15, which is still pretty challenging, it's still pretty tricky, but I'm dividing by a whole number instead rather than a decimal, okay? I mean, if you're super confident, okay, finding how many 0.15 is going to 8.46, then by all means go ahead, yeah. But I would suspect that even for myself, yeah, that is not beyond my limit, but that would take a long time, okay, and be quite laborious, okay. So divided by 15 is a bit easier, okay. So we say 15's into 8 goes 0 times. Cross over 8, carry it forward. 8, 15's into 84. We got 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Okay, we got 105k and then 120. Okay, so it goes in once, twice, 3, 4, and 5 times. So it goes in 5 times fully with a remainder or a leftover of 9. 15 into 96 goes 6 times. Okay, remainder 6. I'm going to put a decimal point there. And then 15 into 60 or 0.60 go exactly 0.4 times or 4 times. Giving us a final answer of 56.4 as our answer. Okay, and this question here was actually worth 3 marks. This one here I think was actually worth 2 marks, okay? That one I believe, okay? From the November 2022 series, and then this bottom one here was from the summer 2023 series, okay? Dividing by a decimal, okay? But yeah, this one was worth 3 marks, and the top one was worth 2 marks, okay? But that is looking at some index laws and dividing decimals. Thank you.